Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. This is Teacher Ray, and today I will show you how to do a brand new heuristic. So heuristics basically means a question type, and today we are dealing with equal stage, beginning or end. So without further ado, let's get right down to it. Adam and Shure had the same number of marbles. So with my pencil, I'll underline Adam and Shure. I'll underline same. So this is to remind me that at the start, they are the same. Then Adam gave away 7 marbles and Shure gave away 45 marbles. And because of that, Adam then had 3 times as many marbles as Shure. So because of the 3 times, we can say that Adam is actually 3 units. So I'll indicate 3 units, then I'll point it towards Adam. I'll point it at Adam. And Shure, this character's name appeared after the second S. Shure has got to be 1 unit in the end. So after listening to the story, the actual question is how many marbles did Adam and Shure each have at first? So that will be my actual question. And they're asking me Adam and Shure each at first. So having done the annotation for the pencil, now I'll get down to the highlighters. So as a recap, I got to use my BYROG. So B for blue, Y for yellow, R for red, then O for orange, last but not least, G for green. So occasionally I may need to use another cycle of BYROG, especially for those maths problems with many crucial information. So having done my annotation, I will need to draw my model. So let me show you how the model is done. So I have A, as in I'll just label Adam and Shure. And I'm mindful that my model, my drawing, it cannot be too near to my question. So at the start, I will draw a rectangle of a good size. Good size meaning it shouldn't be too big, nor should it be too small. And I'll slice it into 2. And in my model itself, I'll actually indicate the word equal. This is a reminder to myself that at the start, they were equal. At the start, they had the same number of marbles. So in my model, I must show that Adam actually gave away 7 and Shure gave away 45. Now, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to share with you a pro tip. Yes, a pro tip. So many a times children, they often mess up this question because they try to deal with the 7 and 45 without dealing with the 3 times for, as in 3 units for Adam and 1 unit for Shure. So that has got to be settled first. So in my model, I'll actually settle the 3 units and the 1 unit. I'll deal with that first. So something like this. Okay. So in my model, I'll actually indicate that Adam in the end has 3 units. And Shure in the end has 1 unit left. And I'll also indicate in my model that Adam gave away 7 and Shure gave away 45. And as what we mentioned in previous videos, if the space above is 7, the space below has got to be 7 as well. Then what about here? The question told us that Shure gave away 45. So this whole chunk of information is actually 45, and that will give us the idea what is the value of 2 units. So having more or less completed my model, now I will just proceed on with the equations. So from my model itself, I'll write down 2 units. It's actually 45 minus away 7, which will lead us to 38. Then I will want to find 1 unit. I will want to find 1 unit. So 1 unit is actually 38 divided by 2. And my answer will be 19. So I'll indicate in my model that 2 units actually represent 38. So the questions want us to find out Adam and Shu rate each at first. And what would that be? Let's find out. So if I'm going for Shu rate, since I already found 1 unit, Shu rate at first would just be 19 plus 45. And that answer will be 64. So like what we mentioned in earlier videos, the best way of checking is not to redo everything, not to work backwards, but to use another way to find the answer, to get to the answer. So since I found Shu rate at first to be 64, I would love to find Adam at first. And if Adam at first is also 64, that will mean that I've gotten the correct answer. And that will be a bonus for me in exam. So going back to my earlier equation, 1 unit is 19. To find Adam at first, I'll have to find out what is 3 units. So 3 units will actually be 19 times 3, which is none other than 57. Then my next step, I'll use 57. Since Adam gave away 7, right? I'll add back 7. I'll return 7 marbles to Adam, and my answer will none other be 64, which also matches what we found earlier, which is why I can give myself a smiley face. Yay! So this is my checking. And my final answer, ANS, it will be 64. And 64 will be the answer for how many marbles did Adam and Shu rate each have at first. So that's it, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned for the next episode. And thank you for watching. Let's smash maths problems together with MRT Maths. This is Teacher Ray signing off. Bye bye.